Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a weekend. What's the plan for the weekend? I am working because I was off last weekend, so I can't complain. Today freebie is this one here. Is a pictures of New York, Manhattan to be precise, New York City. And I have a little play around with colors. Now this freebie here is been designed taking inspiration from my I Love New York mini kit. Is a 4 pages kit that have been designed quite a while ago now, and I did a bit collage. So in this picture here there is a Statue of Liberty with some flowers and a vintage tape measure on the bottom. You got a page full of ephemera, all linked to New York City, and then there is a page where I have a little play around with the maps of New York City and just had a little play with colors, and then a page full of stamps. Okay, so if you do like journaling or card making, this is the kit for you. Couple of weeks ago I did a freebie from Egypt. So every couple of weeks I give you a different city. Of course I will design digital papers for, you know, take inspiration from digital from different cities. Number one has been recommended is San Francisco, which I'm working on it. Is again will be a mini kit, and it will be on my website for listen. But today the freebie is this one. I love I've never been to New York City. It's on my bucket list, but for us it's extremely expensive because it's on the other side of the world. But one day I will go 100%, and I want to go around November, like mid-November, end of November, when it's all Christmassy. I really would like to go. So yeah, this is a little freebie to celebrate New York City. As usual guys, these will be sent to my newsletter. And I will put here on the screen what it looks like. Is an email I send out every Friday. I mean, if you're familiar with my channel, you already know this. It's a little email which contains the video of the week, just like a little recap. Videos of the week, the papers of the week. There is always a freebie attached and a cheeky discount code for you guys to, you know, treat yourself if you wish to. By the time you watch this video, my newsletter will already be sent out, which contains this. So if you wish to actually download this one, I recommend you go to my Facebook group when that is in my archive that you can pick, or you can get them all. Around 300 freebies from the last 4 years I have shared on my channel. They're all in alphabetical order. In date order. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. You can see the banner here. AntonioMakes.com, and there is two lovely a lady and a gentleman on the background, so you will need to send an invite, and of course I will approve your membership, of course. So in here you will see all my videos that I have shared. Of course this is me, but also Aber, all different creations, just some lovely projects from other different crafters, just to give some ideas. If you look on recent media, you click on see all and you'll see them all, etc, etc. But to find a freebie, so as I said, this is the main page. So if you click on files, ta-da! So these are all my freebies in alphabetical orders. Okay, and in here you find all my free advent calendars from 2024 for December. I merged them all together, and you see the individual file here. But if you keep scrolling down, you see there are freebies, tons of freebies to download. Happy crafting. Okay guys, so yeah, newsletter, so you will get the one from next week and the week after and going forward. And also once you're on my Facebook group, download them all, so they're all saved on your computer or iPad. Remember guys, before you print them, because I get tons of emails, you need to download them first and then print it, because otherwise your printer don't know what to print. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this freebie. I really appreciate, because you telling YouTube that you like what I make, because YouTube algorithm is getting more difficult for channel of my size, because I'm not a large channel. So any interaction that you guys have with my video honestly means the world to me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.